Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on SushiSwap. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that SushiSwap has broken out another falling wedge pattern. And this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, and this is by the way a weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that SushiSwap first broke out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after that, we had a nice short rally, but the price got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from $1.60 and goes to $2. And from the month of March 2024, you can see that it had been moving inside this next falling wedge pattern. That is, by the way, more visible on the daily time frame chart. And now you can see that for the past several weeks, a month, it had been moving inside this wedge. And recently, a few days ago here on 19th of September 2024, we have broken out the resistance, and now the price has reached this long-term resistance zone that starts from 85 cents and goes to 94 cents. Previously, this level has been breaking as a support zone here, support zone here, and support zone here. And now it can work as a strong resistance for the price line. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of September 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for bounce bit double B, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal like this trade setup I shared almost 4 days ago. And you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of SushiSwap, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that since after the month of Feb 2024, SushiSwap was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. You can see that we got rejections here, rejection here, rejection here. Then we had a bounce here, few more rejections here. Then we had another bounce here, rejection here, and finally, after getting squeezed inside this wedge, we have broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And now the price is trying to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 85 cents and goes to 94 cents. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this is the very long-term resistance zone that was recently working as a support zone here for several months. And before that, for a few weeks, it has been breaking as a resistance here. And here for several months, it has been breaking as a very strong support zone from the month of June 2022 up till the month of April 2023. It has been breaking as a very strong support zone. And in case of breaking out this resistance zone soon, it can hit the target for the breakout from this recent falling wedge pattern. And that target will be here at the top of the wedge at $2. And by the way, from $1.60 to $2, we also have another very strong and long-term resistance zone that had been previously working at a resistance zone here and resistance zone here as well. And now if we take a look at the long-term technical target for the breakout from this very massive falling wedge pattern breakout, that long-term target can be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $23 to $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.